Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel, and for today's video we're going to be making a sock bunny craft. It should only take 5 minutes or less. All you'll need is your favorite pair of socks if you socks, some type of filling. I'm going to be using cotton balls, and then something to tie it up with and some scissors. This craft is so easy, so cute, and we have so many options like these cute socks and more on our site. Just check us out. We have so many socks on our website to choose from. I think for today's video, I'm going to be using these rainbow socks. I think these would make a perfect little Easter bunny decoration for my apartment, and it's going to look so cute and gives me major Easter vibes. And let's make our Easter bunny craft. Because that's how easy this craft is. And this will look so cute sitting on your countertops, your TV stand, your nightstand, on a little shelf you got around your house, or just fun for your kids to make. Now, it's not perfect by any means because this is an easy kids craft, but it's so cute just to sit around like this, and your kids will love it. And if you wanted to even take it an extra step further, you could add little googly eyes and a little smile or a little mouth to it to make it even more personable to your liking. Thank you so much for watching, and that's our Sock City craft for the week. And I hope you love your little sock Easter bunny crafts that you make at home with your friends, your kids, or anybody like that. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Check out our website to pick your favorite Easter socks. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.